Past Perfect English.
Listen, learn, and speak with confidence.
Welcome back to your shadowing English speaking practice. This session is designed to help you stay relaxed while speaking for a longer time. You will listen to each sentence and repeat it out loud. Try to follow the rhythm and flow of natural English. Do not worry about mistakes. Do not rush. Just keep speaking. Find a comfortable position and let your shoulders relax. Take a slow breath in and breathe out. When you're ready, let's begin. Today starts quietly and without pressure. Today starts quietly and without pressure. Now you repeat. I give myself time before the day begins. I give myself time before the day begins. Now you repeat. There is no need to rush in the morning. There is no need to rush in the morning. Now you repeat. I wake up feeling rested and calm. I wake up feeling rested and calm. I stay in bed for a few seconds. I stay in bed for a few seconds. I notice how my body feels. I notice how my body feels. I stretch slowly and breathe deeply. I stretch slowly and breathe deeply. The room feels quiet and safe. The room feels quiet and safe. I stand up and open the curtains. I stand up and open the curtains. Natural light fills the room. Natural light fills the room. I feel more awake now. I feel more awake now. I walk to the bathroom and wash my face. I walk to the bathroom and wash my face. Cool water refreshes me. Cool water refreshes me. I brush my teeth calmly. I brush my teeth calmly. I look in the mirror without judgment. I look in the mirror without judgment. I remind myself to take the day step by step. I remind myself to take the day step by step. I change into clean, comfortable clothes. I change into clean, comfortable clothes. Comfort helps me feel focused. Comfort helps me feel focused. I move to the kitchen. I move to the kitchen. I prepare a warm drink. I prepare a warm drink. The smell feels familiar and comforting. The smell feels familiar and comforting. I drink slowly and enjoy the moment. I drink slowly and enjoy the moment. I avoid checking my phone. I avoid checking my phone. This time is just for me. This time is just for me. I prepare a simple breakfast. I prepare a simple breakfast. I eat without distractions. I eat without distractions. I listen to the quiet sounds around me. I listen to the quiet sounds around me. After eating, I clean up gently. After eating, I clean up gently. A clean space helps my mind feel clear. A clean space helps my mind feel clear. I check my plan for the day. I check my plan for the day. I know what needs to be done. I know what needs to be done. I begin my first task calmly. I begin my first task calmly. I focus on one thing at a time. I focus on one thing at a time. I work steadily, not quickly. I work steadily, not quickly. When I feel tired, I pause. When I feel tired, I pause. Short breaks help me stay balanced. Short breaks help me stay balanced. I stretch my body and breathe. I stretch my body and breathe. I drink some water. I drink some water. Hydration helps my focus. Hydration helps my focus. I return to my work with fresh energy. I return to my work with fresh energy. Time passes smoothly. Time passes smoothly. I complete tasks one by one. I complete tasks one by one. I feel satisfied with my progress. I feel satisfied with my progress. I prepare a light lunch. I prepare a light lunch. I eat slowly and mindfully. I eat slowly and mindfully. After lunch, I take a short walk. After lunch, I take a short walk. Movement clears my thoughts. Movement clears my thoughts. The afternoon feels calm and steady. The afternoon feels calm and steady. I finish my work for the day. I finish my work for the day. I save my progress and close my laptop. I save my progress and close my laptop. My shoulders relax. My shoulders relax. The evening feels quieter. The evening feels quieter. I prepare dinner at home. I prepare dinner at home. Cooking helps me unwind. Cooking helps me unwind. I eat without rushing. I eat without rushing. After dinner, I clean the kitchen. After dinner, I clean the kitchen. I enjoy having a peaceful space. I enjoy having a peaceful space. I spend the evening offline. I spend the evening offline. I read or sit quietly. I read or sit quietly. My thoughts slow down naturally. My thoughts slow down naturally. I prepare for tomorrow. I prepare for tomorrow. I feel ready. I feel ready. I get ready for bed. I get ready for bed. I lie down and breathe slowly. I lie down and breathe slowly. The day comes to a gentle end. The day comes to a gentle end. You've completed today's shadowing English practice. Notice how your voice feels now. Notice how your breathing feels. Notice how calm your body feels. You don't need to measure your performance. Speaking consistently is what matters. Even when it felt challenging, your brain was learning. That learning continues quietly. For today, this is enough. Drink some water. Rest your voice. Let English settle naturally. Come back tomorrow if you can. Consistency builds confidence. Thank you for practicing with me. This is Past Perfect English, and I'll see you in the next session.